Hello, today I am unboxing my newest Triazon box, and it is from Bryson Brothers. There's an envelope on top that has some Bryson Brother coupons for Amazon, so if anyone is interested in that, you can look in the comment section and I will post what that code is. Bryson Brothers is a cleaning company, and so they sent us some fun stuff to try. We have granite cleaner, granite countertops, and they have and there is a cooktop scrubbing pad, which I am really excited to use because my cooktop is nasty. We have a anti-micro bowl chef's towel. So treated with the proprietary microbowl agent that prohibits the growth of bacteria, mold, and mildew in the towel. Some microwave and oven cleaner. I am also very excited to use this product. Smartphone cleaner towels. Yes, we need that.
What are those?
Clean the smartphone.
Oh.
So it's not nasty. Another one of these. And then smartphone cleaner and glass cooktop cleaner. So we got that, and then I have another box here that I know is what I'm supposed to pass out to my people that I have come to the party. We have aerosol cans of stainless steel polish. So I've got 12 of these to give away. So I've never heard of Bryson Brothers until Triazon asked if I wanted to host a party, so I'm pretty excited to see how their products work. Thank you for watching the video.